We have approximately 3,000 people that are missing with their vehicles in the U.S. When I say that they're missing with their vehicles, they are missing and their vehicle is missing as well. What we have found at Adventures with Purpose and Exploring with a Mission and Sunshine State Sonar and the other groups is that these people typically are missing within 1 to 5 miles of their houses. Some have been missing 150 yards from their home. So what we're going to do with Exploring on the Mission is we're going to locate vehicles in 2025 and 2026. We're going to extract those vehicles. We're also going to be searching for these missing persons in the same regions that they went missing and see if we can bring people home. Adventures with Purpose and Map the Missing have identified hundreds of individuals that have gone missing. And they have linked those to their specific missing persons pages with a copy of their vehicle identification, including their license plate, and a slew of information that actually gives us a better idea of probability of where these individuals could be. Typically, they're close to home, so we're going to keep on searching for them. Please like and subscribe and also become a member of our YouTube channel at Exploring with a Mission. Also, you can sponsor, donate, help us write a grant. Anything you can do would be truly appreciated. Buy a sweatshirt. We are going to be on the road in 2025 and 2026 searching for these missing persons. They need to all come home. Help us bring them home. This is a list on the screen that you see of missing persons that are in Canada and the US. I have approximately 45 to 50 missing persons in New England and the Canadian region of Quebec, Ontario, New Brunswick, and Halifax, Nova Scotia. These are the ones I'm going to focus on over the spring and summer to see if we can bring some of these people home and investigate their cases.